Some car repairs can be so costly that getting a new vehicle could be the smarter choice for your wallet. Here are 12 issues that could mean it's time to move on from your old ride. Replacing brake pads is routine and often affordable, but new rotors and drums can be much more expensive. If your vehicle is already aging, it might be better to replace the car instead of investing in this repair. The alternator powers many of your car's systems. If it fails, you could be looking at costly repairs. Alternators usually need replacing every 50,000 to 100,000 miles. On an older car, it might not make sense to invest in a new one. Engine problems often mark the end of a car's useful life. Rebuilding or replacing an engine can cost several $1,000s. This is money that could be used as a down payment on a newer, more reliable vehicle. The head gasket seals engine cylinders and keeps fluids from leaking. Replacing it can cost around $2,000. If your car isn't worth much more than that, it might not be worth fixing. Transmission repairs or replacements often cost around $5,000. For an older car, it could make more sense to invest that money into a new vehicle rather than trying to save the old one. Catalytic converters are valuable because they contain precious metals, making them common theft targets. Replacing one can cost a few $1,000s. If your insurance does not cover it, buying a new car could be the better option. Replacing an airbag after a crash can cost around $3,000. When combined with other potential damage from the accident, it might not be worth it to repair the car. A bent frame can compromise the entire structure of a vehicle. Repairing it can easily cost around $10,000. In most cases, replacing the vehicle is the smarter choice. Cracks in the engine block are serious and expensive to fix, often costing thousands of dollars. If this happens, most car owners will likely opt for a new car. Radiators are essential for cooling your engine. Replacing one can cost at least $1,000. On an older car, it might not make sense to keep repairing one expensive part after another. If your steering becomes difficult, it could point to steering rack problems. Repairing this part can cost up to $2,000, making it worth considering a new car instead of continuing repairs. Electric vehicle batteries can cost between $5,000 and $20,000 to replace. If your EV battery is nearing the end of its life, it might be time to consider getting a new vehicle. If your car has one of these serious issues, trading it in for a newer model could save you money in the long run and offer better peace of mind.